Bring in Bob Pisani, just look at the 10-year Treasury note as well, because we have seen yields slip. That's part of the reason utilities are up and banks are down, Bob.
Yeah, and I loved your interview with the CEO of BB&T. There's a very important regional bank, and the bottom line is modest loan growth. That's really the story. We keep waiting for it to jump up. It's not terrible, as he pointed out.
Yep.
Business is good. Don't get freaked out. It's people like us who keep saying, when is it going to get a little better? And he's saying, it's okay. It's not terrible, but it's okay.
Lowered his revenue guidance for the year.
Yeah, and that's why you saw all the banks down. The regional banks were to the downside. At any rate here, just not enough energy today, and for a good reason. The guidance generally wasn't as strong today as it's been previously. So Dow movers, nice to see IBM with a decent report. That's always good to see. But then you had people who lowered the guidance today. We didn't see a lot of that. So we had Alcoa, Philip Morris, eBay, gave mixed but generally lower guidance for the year. So look at that. That's what happens when you have that kind of thing. We haven't seen it recently. IBM, as I mentioned, good. Travelers, a very specific issue, of course, with all of the catastrophe losses that they had. JP Morgan, of course, down on some of the lower
strength in the
numbers.
Russell. Small caps doing well.
Yes, that's certainly good to see. Overall, I think, as you pointed out, we're flat for the week.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.